to carne guisada or beef stew. This is our ingredients for my carne guisada Puerto Rican style. This one, guys, all the ingredients of carne guisada. This is my beef chunks. We need to marinate, and we need to put garlic powder, a pinch of garlic powder, and then we need to put oregano, and then ground black pepper. And we need to add beef powder. So we need to mix all of them, and my hands is clean. It's time to mix. My pan is already hot. I need to put oil, 1 tablespoon of oil, any oil, guys. And then we need to put garlic. We need to saute until golden brown. Garlic is already golden brown. We need to add our onion. Garlic and onion is already cooked. We need to add our beef, marinated beef, and then we need to add our sofrito. And guys, sofrito is made from bell pepper, onion, and garlic. It's very easy to make that, and with cilantro, guys. Already saute our beef. We need to add water. The water is 2 cups, guys. We need to add 2 cups to make the beef is soft. And then we need to add SAZON. To mix all together, and then we need to add tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is 1/4 cups. Ayan, guys. And then we need to add the leftover of beef bouillon. And like beef cubes, beef powder. This is I use beef powder. It's up to you, guys, if you want to put a beef powder. And then it's better, guys, if you have pressure cooker, you need to transfer in the pressure cooker. It's easy to cook. Then we need to put cover. So look at, guys, it's already boiling. Actually, it's already soft, the beef. So look, it's already cooked. And then we need to put our carrots. If you like to put carrots, it's fine, guys. And then I add the potato. olive, guys. Look, because my husband, he like to eat olive. It's up to you guys if you want to put olive. Need to add laurel. It's up to you guys if you want to put laurel. But laurel is really good. The smell is really good. So we need to put cover to get soft the potato and carrots, and after that we need to put water in the cornstarch to get very creamy our carne guisada. So our carne guisada, it's already boiling, and then look, wow, it's time to put the cornstarch to get creamy. It's up to you guys if you want to put cornstarch, but for me it's good to put cornstarch. And then that's the way how to cook carne guisada in Puerto Rican style. So we need to check the taste. If it's already good. If it's not, we need to add the beef bouillon. Look at that, guys. This is very creamy and the beef is very soft. So we need to add the bell pepper. This is the way how I cook the carne guisada. But in the real Puerto Rican style is the bell pepper we need to put first. So I want to eat the bell pepper is like crunchy. It's up to you guys if how you cook the carne guisada. This one, guys, my carne guisada is already cooked. We need to serve now. Look at that. The beef is very soft and we have a little bit of soup. Very, very, very creamy. Look at that, guys. It's time to eat.